Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's me Richa and
hello, it's me Kavita.
it's second day of our weekend and it's Saturday. So we came to the nearby park. It's a very beautiful park and right now we are walking, taking a walk and looking for a good place to sit. And here lots and lots of people are here with their families and friends and they are having fun here. And I'll also show you how the park looks like. I hope you will like this vlog. So हामी अहिले बस्ने जग्गा खोज्दैछ एकछिन बसेर रेस्ट गरेर then we will take a tour of this park. You can see many people are here and the kid. Hello madam, did you like this place?
यस्तो ठुलो पार्क है आज हामी सायद सक्दैन होला घुमेर
It's a very big park. So we found a place to sit. अब यहाँ एकछिन बसेर चाहिँ चिप्स किनेछ एकछिन बसेर. The park is very big, like it's so big. We have no idea from where to start, so we'll just sit and then we'll take a whole, I don't know we can take a whole tour or not. We'll take a tour of the park and I hope there is the boating is open. I don't think so. We wanted to do boating but I didn't see anyone doing it, but we will see. We'll ask some people. So now we are going to take a tour finally after sitting for about an hour and a half. कुन चाहिँ बाटो जाने पहिला यता पछाडि कि अगाडि अगाडि It's weather is good, it's not hot. हम कोट चाहिँ बोकिरहेको थियो अलिकति जाडो भयो भने it was stupid. We'll take places to sit, nice place to sit. You can see lots of people are enjoying in the park. It's a very good place. अलिक गरम भएको छ
बहिनीले यहाँ चिल मार्दैछ एकदम पानीसँग यहाँ घाँस माछा अन्त खै तेरो रोप चाहिँ
माछा पक्रेर मजालाई पक्रेर
यहाँ रिचाको एकदम बेस्ट फ्रेन्ड रहेछ यहाँ हो कतै दिएन तिम्रो बेस्ट फ्रेन्डले तिमीलाई
मेरो बेस्ट फ्रेन्ड मसँग रिसाइरहेछ नि त पढेको People also do fishing over here. There's a cat. If ever Bainile boyfriend payo भने चाहिँ she can come on a date on this place. So bedsheet लिएर आउनु टक्क ओछ्याउनु खानासाना ल्याउनु
खाना पनि पकाइदिन्छु त
म पकाइदिन्छु नि तर तिमी बोयफ्रेन्ड चाहिँ हुनु पर्यो खानासाना पकाएर चाहिँ
कति सानो
अनि यहाँ आएर डेटमा इन्जोय गर्नु ल बट अनफर्चुनेटली बोथ अफ अस आर सिङ्गल सो हामी दुईजनै आउँछौँ यहाँ अहिले फिलहाल
डेट चल्दैछ
So we were so excited to do boating, but it's closed. It's a disappointment. Every time Japanese are disappointment. So anyways, but still we had a good time. It's a nice place. So boating we will come next time. Do you want to come next time again?
Of course, but not this place.
Yeah, of course we'll go to another place because there's another place as well. Same kind of park. Jam boating and everything will be available. So we are very tired. The park is very, very huge. It's very big, right?
Yes.
We
are tired.
Yeah, first we planned that we will take a walk in every corner of the park, but it seems impossible in a day. If we come next time, if we have lots of time, we can come back again and we can take a tour of other places where we didn't visit it. So this time we cannot. We also have to go back, so we are not going to take a tour of all the places in the park. It's very, very big. So yeah, we enjoyed. And so probably I'll see you in next vlog, probably in the new year, because aba mero chutti next year mate cha. Wow, exam chutti ab next year mate my day off for the month is over, and her as well. So see you in next vlog next year with new interesting vlogs. And new year but new excitement, new new version. New resolutions are really around me. So our tour of the park is over. We had a very nice time. It's a very good place, good weather, and we took a long walk. And also we made lots of videos and TikToks, and we had fun. I hope you also you enjoyed watching this video. So thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting, keep loving me, and do like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my vlog, to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So that's it for today. Lots of love. Have a good life. Enjoy your life. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Lots of love on the viewers.
Lots of love.
Bye bye. See you in next vlog.